Hey everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back, Quick Tech Channel, your knowledge destination for all tech reviews. Today's topic is a2hosting, so let's start. What's something people don't know about web hosting? Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone with an online presence. In the world of web hosting, speed is king. A fast website can make all the difference in user experience and business success. A slow website frustrates visitors and hurts your search engine rankings. Imagine losing potential customers just because your site takes too long to load. That's where a2hosting comes in. They offer solutions specifically designed to enhance your website's performance. For current offers on a2hosting, please check the link below to description. They're known for their high-performance hosting solutions designed to make your website fly. With a2hosting, you can expect lightning-fast load times. But is a2hosting all it's cracked up to be? Can they really deliver on their promises of speed and reliability? Let's dive into this a2hosting review and find out. We'll look at their features, performance, and customer feedback. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your online journey, choosing the right hosting provider is crucial. The right choice can save you time and headaches. a2hosting promises blazing fast speeds, rock-solid reliability, and top-notch customer support. They claim to offer everything you need for a smooth online experience. But do they deliver on these promises? Are their services as good as they say? Stick around as we explore everything a2hosting has to offer. From speed tests to customer reviews, we'll cover it all to help you make an informed decision. Founded in 2001, a2hosting has a long history in the hosting industry. Starting as a small company, they've grown into a global provider with a reputation for performance. Their focus on speed and reliability has been a constant throughout their journey. a2hosting was one of the first to adopt cutting-edge technologies like SSD storage and turbo servers. These early innovations helped them gain a competitive edge. Today, they continue to push the boundaries of web hosting technology, ensuring their customers benefit from the fastest and most reliable hosting experience. a2hosting offers a wide array of features designed to make your website faster, more secure, and easier to manage. Whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or running a large e-commerce site, a2hosting has tailored solutions to meet your needs. One standout feature is their turbo servers, which they claim can load websites up to 20 times faster than standard hosting. This means your visitors will experience lightning-fast page loads, reducing bounce rates and improving user satisfaction. In addition to speed, a2hosting provides free SSL certificates to encrypt your website's data and protect your visitors' privacy. This is crucial in today's digital age, where data breaches and cyber threats are increasingly common. They also offer a user-friendly control panel, making it easy to manage your website, even if you're not tech-savvy. With intuitive navigation and comprehensive tools, you can handle everything from domain management to email setup with ease. And if you ever run into trouble, their 24/7, 365 customer support team is just a phone call, email, or live chat away. Their knowledgeable and friendly staff are always ready to assist you with any issues, ensuring your website runs smoothly at all times. Performance that matters, speed and uptime you can trust. When it comes to web hosting, speed and uptime are non-negotiable. a2hosting understands this and has invested heavily in its infrastructure to ensure optimal performance for its users. Their turbo servers, powered by Lightspeed web server technology, are designed to deliver lightning-fast loading times. But speed is nothing without reliability. a2hosting boasts an impressive 99.9% uptime guarantee, meaning your website will be accessible to visitors almost all the time. This level of reliability is crucial for any website, especially businesses that rely on their online presence for revenue. Secure and reliable. Protecting your digital assets. In today's digital landscape, security is more important than ever before. a2hosting takes security seriously, implementing robust measures to protect your website and sensitive data. Their servers are protected by firewalls and advanced security protocols to prevent any unauthorized access. a2hosting also offers regular security updates and malware scanning to keep your website safe from emerging threats and vulnerabilities. Their proactive approach to security ensures that your website and data remain secure, giving you complete peace of mind. Pricing for every need. Finding the perfect plan. A2hosting offers a variety of hosting plans to suit different needs and budgets. Whether you're starting a personal blog or running a large e-commerce website, they have a plan that's right for you. Their shared hosting plans are perfect for beginners, while their VPS and dedicated server options provide more power and flexibility for demanding websites. While a2hosting's prices may be slightly higher than some budget hosting providers, their performance, features, and support justify the cost. They also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try their services risk-free. Weighing the pros and cons, a balanced perspective. When choosing a web hosting provider, it's crucial to consider both the advantages and disadvantages to make an informed decision. Like any hosting provider, a2hosting has its pros and cons. Understanding these can help you determine if it's the right fit for your needs. Let's take a look at what we like and what could be improved. This will give you a comprehensive view of a2hosting's offerings. Pros: blazing fast loading speeds. Turbo servers deliver exceptional performance. This means your website will load quickly, providing a better user experience and potentially improving your search engine rankings. Reliable uptime. 99.9% uptime guarantee ensures your website is always accessible. This reliability is crucial for businesses that depend on their online presence. Robust security features. Keep your website and data safe from threats. A2hosting offers various security measures, including free SSL certificates, dual firewall, and DDoS protection. Excellent customer support. 24/7 365 availability via phone, email, and live chat. Their knowledgeable support team is always ready to assist you with any issues or questions. User-friendly interface. Easily manage your website and hosting settings. The intuitive control panel makes it simple for even beginners to navigate and manage their hosting account. Cons: slightly higher prices. You get what you pay for, but it's not the cheapest option. While the quality of service is high, budget-conscious users might find the pricing a bit steep. Renewal rates can be high. Keep an eye on renewal pricing after the initial term. It's important to be aware of the cost increase when your initial discounted period ends. Overall, a2hosting's positives far outweigh its negatives, making it a strong contender in the web hosting arena. With its high performance, reliable uptime, robust security, and excellent customer support, a2hosting is a solid choice for those looking for quality web hosting services. If like this, a2hosting review, and if want to join them, link is in description below. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. Quick tech like video and share knowledge. Thanks. Cheers.